We've got some fresh images of 3I Atlas, a third ever interstellar object observed from Earth, currently racing through our solar system.
Right now, a cosmic stranger is racing through our solar system. It's not from here. It's not bound to the sun, and it may be carrying secrets from stars that no longer even exist. Astronomers have named it 3I Atlas.
A new out-of-this-world discovery has some asking, what in the world is this? Take a look. NASA scientists say it's a comet. That's what they say. They've named it the 3I Atlas interstellar object, which was discovered last month.
The third confirmed interstellar visitor ever discovered. Unlike anything we've seen before, it glows green, leaks chemicals in strange ways, and breaks every rule we thought we understood about comets and asteroids.
With 0 meaning it's a natural object, like a comet, for sure. And 10 meaning it's definitely a technological object.
This isn't just another space rock. It's a messenger from the deep past. And it could change the way we think about our galaxy forever.
The supposed comet is catching the attention of some of the nation's most renowned scientists, as one Harvard professor is raising the theory this may actually be a piece of alien technology.
Let's break down exactly what makes 3I Atlas so special. To understand why 3I Atlas is such a big deal, we need to step back. This story began just a few years ago. In October 2017, astronomers at the University of Hawaii noticed a strange object streaking through the night sky. It wasn't orbiting the sun like a comet or asteroid should. It was flying on a hyperbolic path, meaning it came from outside our solar system. They called it ʻOumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning scout or messenger, and it was weird. Instead of a tail, it had nothing. No gas, no dust. Instead of slowing down after swinging past the sun, it sped up. And its shape? Long, stretched, tumbling, unlike any asteroid we'd seen before. Scientists scrambled for explanations. Some said it was made of solid hydrogen ice, evaporating invisibly. Others thought it was a shard of a Pluto-like world. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb made headlines suggesting it could be artificial, alien technology drifting through space.
On the 1st of July, NASA detected a mysterious object speeding toward Earth, and some actual bona fide experts think it might not be your typical space rock or maybe any kind of rock or a natural phenomenon at all.
The debates raged, but before we could study it in detail, Oumuamua was gone, vanishing back into interstellar space, taking its mysteries with it. 2 years later, in August 2019, we got another chance. Amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov spotted a bright, fuzzy object moving against the stars. This time, it behaved exactly like a comet should. It had a coma, a tail, and it released gases as it heated near the sun. Named 2I Borisov, it was our first real chance to study material from another star system. And what scientists found was surprising. Borisov looked normal. Spectroscopy revealed water, carbon monoxide, cyanide, the same chemistry as comets from our Kuiper belt. That suggested comet formation might be universal. No matter the star system, the recipe seemed the same. By now, astronomers thought they understood the pattern. Interstellar objects probably entered the inner solar system once a year. Most slipped by undetected because they were too faint, too fast, or in the wrong part of the sky. But then came 2025, and everything changed. On July 1st, 2025, the Atlas telescope system in Chile flagged a faint moving dot.
A new telescope built to track fast-moving space objects in Chile has caught a comet from beyond the solar system moving across the sky.
At first, it seemed like just another asteroid, but orbital calculations told a very different story. The object was moving at 60 kilometers per second relative to the Sun, way too fast to be bound by gravity. Its orbit was hyperbolic, meaning it came from interstellar space, would swing once around the Sun, and then leave forever. Soon reclassified as 3I Atlas, the third interstellar visitor ever seen. But unlike Oumuamua or Borisov, this one would not play by the rules. Even at 4.5 astronomical units away, roughly the distance of Jupiter, it already showed a coma of gas and dust. That's unusually early activity. Most comets wait until they're much closer to the Sun. Hubble revealed something spectacular: a teardrop-shaped cocoon of dust enveloping the comet. A tail stretching 35,000 miles into space. This wasn't a dormant rock like Oumuamua. It wasn't a textbook comet like Borisov. It was something else. When astronomers looked at its light through spectroscopes, they were stunned. First came cyanide gas, CN molecules, showing up in unusual amounts and patterns. Spectroscopic data suggested strong cyanide emissions, behaving differently from what we typically see in solar system comets. Then came an even bigger surprise. Astronomers detected possible nickel lines, but puzzlingly no clear signs of iron, an odd chemical imbalance rarely observed in comets. That combination, nickel without iron, has never been observed in a solar system object. The James Webb Space Telescope revealed more secrets. Unlike most comets in our solar system, whose activity is dominated by water, 3I Atlas appeared to behave differently. Early infrared data hinted that its coma might be unusually rich in carbon dioxide, with smaller amounts of carbon monoxide and only faint traces of water vapor. This was staggering. It suggested that 3I Atlas formed in a very different environment, perhaps a colder, carbon-dominated region around a distant star, and then came the visual fireworks. In September 2025, 3I Atlas began to change color, from dusty brown to an unmistakable green glow. This wasn't just pretty, it was science. The green hue came from excited cyanide molecules glowing under solar radiation. It confirmed the dramatic chemistry shifts happening inside the comet. Astronomers described it as a beacon from the deep past. Tracing its orbit backwards led to another revelation. Unlike Oumuamua or Borisov, which seemed to come from relatively nearby regions, 3I Atlas appeared to have been traveling for millions, maybe tens of millions, of years. That means it could have originated from star systems that no longer exist, worlds that have since died, burned out, or been torn apart. One scientist called it a time capsule, carrying chemistry from an era when the galaxy itself looked different. Imagine it: a fragment from a star long gone, drifting through the void, only now passing through our sky. The arrival of 3I Atlas forces us to rethink the numbers. For decades, scientists thought interstellar objects would be rare, but in just 8 years, we've found 3. Now, estimates suggest thousands may be drifting in the outer solar system at any given time. Dozens could be passing through the inner system every single year. Most are invisible to us, too small, too dark, too fast. But as telescopes improve, more will be revealed. And that has huge implications, because interstellar objects don't just bring chemistry, they might bring biology. The idea is called panspermia, life spreading between star systems on natural carriers like comets. If life can hitchhike across the galaxy, then maybe we're not just isolated on Earth. Maybe life on Earth itself began on an object like 3I Atlas. The challenge is time. Interstellar visitors don't stay long. 3I Atlas reaches its closest approach to the Sun in October 2025. Then it will fade, growing fainter until it disappears forever. That gives astronomers just months to collect data. Already, the Hubble, the Very Large Telescope, and the James Webb Space Telescope are all pointed at it. The upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory will join soon, scanning the entire sky every few nights. And space agencies are planning ahead. The European Space Agency has drafted mission concepts for rapid response probes, spacecraft that could intercept the next interstellar visitor before it escapes. Too late for Atlas, but not too late for the next one. 3I Atlas is more than just an astronomical oddity. It's proof that our solar system is part of a vast galactic ecosystem. Material is constantly exchanged between stars, dust, rock, ice, and maybe even life, moving across cosmic distances. Every interstellar object is a messenger, a natural space probe sent not by technology, but by the galaxy itself. Each carries secrets from distant star systems waiting for us to decode. With 3I Atlas, we're finally learning how. So, what does it all mean? That the galaxy is alive with travelers. that our solar system is not isolated, that somewhere out there, star systems we've never seen may already be sharing their chemistry, and maybe their biology, with us. And this is only the beginning. The next visitor could arrive tomorrow, and when it does, we'll be ready with better telescopes, faster missions, and deeper questions. What do you think? Could objects like 3I Atlas be carrying the seeds of life between stars? Or are they just icy messengers, silent fragments of long-dead worlds? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because the universe is full of surprises, and the next one may already be on its way.